In this lesson, we're going to talk about family. I'm going to take my F's and go in a circle outwards. Family. All the female signs are down here and all the male signs are up there. Mom, Dad, and if I put them together, it's parents. Mom, Dad, parents. If I do this, it's step. Step mom, step dad, step parents. If I take my hand here and go like this is the sign for baby, and this is a baby girl, which is a daughter. And up here would be son. Daughter, son. For sister and brother, I'm going to make L's. I'm going to start here by my chin and go down for sister, sister, brother, sister and brother are my siblings. If I do this, it's 1/2. So I could do half sister, half brother. Remember what these were? My parents. So mom, and I move it 1 out, is grandma. And dad, moved 1 out, is grandpa. And if I do them together, they are my grandparents. Let's go over our non-manual markers. That's our face, what our face is doing. We're going to do some more question words. This is a sign for who. And again, remember your eyebrows go down. This is a sign for why. You'll also see it like this. This is the sign for when. Your dominant hand's going to go in a circle outwards, like a clock. Don't forget your face. This is the sign for which. And this is how many, how much. Let's also review where and what. Perfect. We talked about me and you and my and your. If I point out, it could be he or she. And if it's my, it could be his or hers. This is myself, yourself, their selves. Our and that. Perfect. Let's review our numbers 1 to 20 and then keep counting from 20 to 30. $21, $22, all the doubles are on the floor. $23, I'm going to hold up my 3 and wiggle just my middle finger. $24, L4. $25, hold up my 5 and wiggle just my middle finger. $26, L6. $27, L7. $28, L8. $29, L9. $30, 3, 0. Now let's count in ASL from 1 to 30. Great job. Hi, my signing friends. Today we're going to do some helping signs. The first one is yes, and my face is going to match. No, I'm going to use a 30, and my face is going to match. Facial expressions are very important. For please, I'm going to use my palm and go in a circle. For sorry, I'm going to make an S or a fist and go in a circle. Let's review them. For thank you, I'm going to use the TH. Now let's do understand and don't understand. I'm going to flick my 11 for understand, and my face has to match. Understand, don't understand. Here's a few more. Sign goes inwards. Again. Sign, slow. Please, sign, again. Please, sign, slow. Now let's practice. You, mom, you? Yes, me, mom. That means I am a mom. Or you can say, me, mom. I'm a mom. You, deaf, you? No, me, hearing. You understand me? No. Please sign again slow. Thank you. Keep practicing. You're doing amazing. Let's think of some questions we can ask. Your mom name what? My mom name Susan. Your dad who? My dad Jeff. Did you see how I did the double letter? Double letter slightly dragged away from the body. What questions can you come up with? Let's do some fingerspelling practice. The topic is names. Get pen and paper. How did you do? Rewind it if you need to watch it again. Here are the answers. Number 1, Rob. Number 2, Ben. Number 3, Maya. Number 4, Karis. Number 5, Benson. Number 6, Zoe. Number 7, Sophia. Number 8, Lexi. Number 9, Aiden. And number 10, Ava. Practice fingerspelling all your family members. Keep practicing your signs. I am so proud of you.